Holy guacamole! Do I have a good recipe for you today? This is my guacamole recipe. Chunky and creamy. You'll need 3 ripe avocados. Score them into cubes like this. Remove the seeds and jelly of 1 tomato and small dice it. Small dice some red onion. And grate some fresh garlic. The juice of 1 lime. Chop some cilantro leaves. Add garlic powder, a little bit of cumin, salt, and black pepper. Give it a mix. For a creamier texture, drizzle in some extra virgin olive oil at the end. Trust me. So good.